Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to tackle on coal and petroleum. Coal and petroleum are formed as a result of degradation of ancient plant life which lived millions of years ago. These dead plant matter started to pile up, eventually forming a substance called peat. Over time, heat and pressure from geological processes transformed these materials into coal. Since these are formed from essentially fossils, they are also known as fossil fuels. Formation of coal dates back to millions of years ago, when the earth was covered only with vast moist forests, having huge trees, shrubs, ferns, etc. These plants underwent their life cycle and withered away, eventually falling back to the ground, most of which were swamps. New plants replaced them. They underwent a life cycle, and the whole process continued repeatedly over the years, as a result of which the earth bed started accumulating all these dead plants. This gave rise to a very thick layer of dead decomposed matter packing down plant matter, washing away all the decayed matter. Physical and chemical changes took place as a result of heat and temperature extracting out all oxygen, leaving the plant layers with carbon-rich content, thus resulting in the formation of coal over a period of time. Coal is a readily combustible rock containing more than 50% by weight of carbon. Okay. Anyone who can give the different types of coal?
Sir.
Yes, Helena.
Coal formed can be of three types depending on the amount of oxygen, carbon and hydrogen they contain. They are 1. Lignite, 2. Bituminous, 3. Anthracite.
Thank you, Helena. Okay, let's talk more in depth on petroleum. Petroleum is a fossil fuel that naturally occurs in the liquid form created by the decomposition of organic matter beneath the surface of the earth millions of years ago. These fossil fuels are then refined into usable substances such as petrol, kerosene, etc. It is formed by the combination of hydrocarbons and other substances, mainly sulfur. When first collected in its natural form, it is termed as crude oil. This substance is generally characterized by a brownish-black color. Although, it can also differ between red to pale yellow or even colorless. Its thickness, viscosity, varies from nearly solid tar-like consistency to low viscosity, almost like water. Refining petroleum thus obtained yields many useful products. Anyone who can give products obtained from petroleum?
Sir Dars.
Yes, Vicky.
Few of the products obtained from petroleum are 1. Gasoline, 2. Diesel oil, 3. Kerosene, 4. Tar, 5. Heavy fuel oil, 6. Petroleum coke, 7. Lubricants, 8. Special naphthas, 9. Paraffin wax, 10. Aviation gasoline.
Thank you, Vicky.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay, now let's talk about the uses of petroleum. Petroleum is one of the most important and widely used fuels in today's time. Some of its advantages are: these are transportation fuels, i.e., via air, water or land. Diesel is used to power turbines for the production of electricity in large-scale industries. Anyone who can add?
Sir Dares.
Yes, Scott. Anything you can add?
Oil is used to produce electricity at homes and shops. Oils help lubricate different types of high-end machines used in different industries, hospitals, etc. Kerosene, on the other hand, is used for domestic purposes at home, used by chemical industries to produce plastic, dyes, paints, synthetic rubber, pesticides, perfumes, etc.
Okay, that's all for today. See you next meeting.
Thank you, sir.